Hey guys, so this is the demonstration for blob tracking. So right now there are two people inside the holodome, and they are experiencing Seattle Seahawks. So as you can see that the image here is the RGB image that is from the sensor. This is the depth image. This is the cleaner depth image, and this is where all the image processing is happening, and this is our final blobs. So you can see that there are two black dots, and this one right here, this shows the average movement. So in total, this is how blob tracking works. It's using OpenCV native code with Android. Orbec Percy is the depth sensor that is being used. These are some more detailed things, and they're showing how positions are changing with the movements. The maximum coordinate magnitude is 1 and the minimum is -1, so which provides a very scaled linear variation for programmers to use. This shows that the sensor is reporting the positions to the people tracking server, and it is being continuously updated. So although it says position updated 0, it doesn't mean that no position is being saved. 0 just means that the request was successful. For an unsuccessful request, you will get -1, and for no connectivity at all, it should be positions updated -2. So that is that. This is the full thing. My last demo for Vulkan, and that's all. Signing off.